Hello, welcome back. In the previous segment, we talked about how to use the JDK serial filter to restrict the list of classes we want to serialize. And this is one way we did it. We specified a list of class names, in this case, only one class. If you have more, you can specify them by adding a semicolon as a delimiter. And everything that is starting with a not symbol will be rejected. So in this case, only customer info is allowed to be serialized and everything else is not allowed. Suppose you would like to allow everything within a package. Okay, let's say you have 25 classes within a package and you want to add all of them for deserialization. So all you have to do is, let's say your package name is org.mycompany. So you can just specify org.mycompany.star. Okay, this means everything within org.mycompany.hierarchy will be deserialized, but at only one level. It won't go recursively. Okay, so just only one level. What I mean is that let's say my company has another sub package UI. If you do that, now org.mycompany.ui and everything, every class just under UI will be deserialized. Okay, but what if you wanted to allow recursively? You can do double star. This will recursively deserialize everything under org.mycompany. We will allow any class under the org.mycompany prefix to be deserialized. If, on the other hand, you put star, which you should not usually do it, means any class is allowed to be deserialized. This means you're allowing any class to be deserialized. All right, so to sum up, you wanted to use this deserialize filter carefully. If you use star, anything will be deserialized. If you say org.mycompany, star, that means everything, every class under the my company hierarchy, just only one level though, will be deserialized. And if you put double star, it means we will allow recursively all the classes under the org.mycompany, and we can just specify the slash is needed as an escape character on Linux command line. Okay, because it's a special character. Similarly, exclamatory mark is a special character, so I need to put this. And then now you're saying, don't allow anything other than org.mycompany. You have to explicitly say that. Okay, that's basically what I wanted to summarize in this segment. Thank you.